Let's draw Bingo, Bluey's loving sister, together. Step 1. Draw a long round box for the body and 2 little triangle ears on top. Give him 2 round eyes, a small triangle nose, and a smiley mouth. Spot time. Draw 2 patches around her eyes and a patch for the muzzle and another one on the belly. Let's finish the ears. Give some sick eyebrows and 2 more little triangles inside the ears. Draw 2 arms and 2 legs. Last step, add the tail. Make a fluffy tail sticking out from the side. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Subscribe for more fun drawings.